I'm Ahmed, Course Director for Visual Effects in Asian Institute of Design. I have 13 years of experience in industry and academy. Here in AID, we are dividing our syllabus into 4 modules. So first module is photography and cinematography fundamentals. Second is video editing and motion graphics. Third one is compositing in visual effects. And fourth one is the project. Majorly in this course, we covered lots of industry standard topics like 2D, 3D compositing, camera tracking and match moving, rotoscopy, prep and paint, color grading, matte painting and more. Here in AID, we conduct lots of workshops and outdoor shoots for the students to understand about the industry. And also, we have lots of industry visits. After you complete this course, you'll be able to work in multiple fields like compositor, a 3D artist, a rotoscopy artist, a video editor, motion graphics artist and more. If you want to be a part of an entertainment and creative industry, join us.